Hello everyone, my name is Vemlesh Sahu, guest lecturer, Department of Computer Science, Pandit Sundarlal Sharma, Open University, Koni, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Today we are going to understand something that we use every single day, but rarely think about how the internet actually works. From sending a WhatsApp message, attending online classes, watching YouTube videos, uploading assignments to Google Drive, everything depends on the internet. But have you ever wondered how does data travel from your phone to a server thousands of kilometers away? How does typing google.com open a website in a second? Today we will understand this journey from ARPANET to the modern world in a simple and structured way. So let's start. What is the internet actually? So first, what exactly is the internet? The internet is a global network of interconnected computer networks. In simple word, it is a network of networks. It connects computers, smartphones, servers, IoT devices, data centers. All these devices communicate using a standard protocol called TCP/IP. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. Think of TCP/IP as a universal language. No matter which company made your device or which operating system you use, Windows, Linux, Android, iOS, they all follow this same communication rule. This standardization is what makes global communication possible. So, the key features of the internet is the internet offers four major advantages. The first one is global connectivity. Almost every country, every people is connected. Fast communication. The fiber optics carries data near the speed of light. Massive information sharing. Billions of web pages exist. And the 24/7 availability. It never sleeps. However, it also has some disadvantages. And next, who owns the internet? Now, here is an interesting question. Who owns the internet? The answer is nobody. The internet is decentralized. No single company controls it. Instead, different organizations manage different parts. ICANN manages domains name like .com and .org, while INA coordinates IP addresses. And IETF develops technical standards and Government and ISPs maintain cable and data centers. This decentralized nature makes the internet strong and resilient. Even if one part fail, the rest continue working. The next is internet service provider. To access the internet, we need an ISP, internet service provider. The ISP connects your home or mobile devices to the global network, all India. Some common ISPs including Reliance Jio, Airtel, BSNL, etc. They provide fiber broadband, mobile data, email services, web hosting, domain name registration. So, without ISPs, we cannot access the internet. Then, anatomy of the internet. The internet is made of 5 main building blocks. So, what they are? The first one is end device. This include computers, smartphones, servers, smart TVs, etc. And the second one is transmission media, like fiber optic cables, copper wires, Wi-Fi signals, submarine cables, etc. are transmission media. Then the third one is networking devices. Networking devices includes routers, switches, modems, etc. A router decides where data should go and modem connect your home to your ISP. The fourth one is protocols. Rules like TCP/IP, HTTP, FTP, SMTP. And the fifth one is servers. Web servers host websites. Mail server handles emails. DNS servers translate domain name into IP address. All these work together in milliseconds. And the next is ARPANET. So let's start beginning with the internet. The internet began in 1969 with ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was developed by the US Department of Defense. The key innovation was packet switching. Instead of sending data as a one long message, it was divided into small packets. Each packet could take a different route and reassembles at the destination. This made communication efficient and reliable. Even today, your Instagram photo travels in packets. Internet services in today, the internet provides many services like World Wide Web. By using World Wide Web, we can browse the internet, we can use search engines, we can access information from anywhere. Email, sending digital messages instantly across the world. FTP, file transfer protocol. It is used for uploading or downloading a file. Instant messaging. Apps like WhatsApp and Telegrams are the real-time communication platform. Some more services like video conferencing, where we can meet face to face by using Google Meet, Zoom, etc. Some e-commerce services are provided by internet like Amazon, Flipkart. These are the application to buy a product or sell a product across the globe. Cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. In e-learning also we can use online classes, MOOC courses, etc. The internet powers modern education, business and entertainment. Let's quickly understand key terms like IP address. IP address means a unique number of a device across the globe. Domain names means a human readable name for a website. URL. It is a full address used to locate a resource. HTTP या HTTPS, Hypertext Transmission Protocol and Hypertext Transmission Protocol secure. It is used for web pages display. HTTPS adds encryption. The browser, software to access the internet or web pages. Bandwidth, speed of data transfer between one device to another is called bandwidth. Modem, connect home to ISP. Router, direct traffic, DNS. Converts domain name into IP. These are the building blocks of a web communication. The next is World Wide Web. Many people think internet and World Wide Webs are the same, but they are the different. The internet is the infrastructure while the web is a service that runs on top of the internet. If we are talking about history of World Wide Web, the www was invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 while working CERN. His goal was to help researchers share documents easily. Timeline of worldwide web development. In 1989, the proposal was prepared by Tim Berners-Lee. In 1990, first server and browser was made. In 1991, it was released to the public. The WW was made available to the public for the first time in the 1991. In the 1993, the Mosaic browser was released, the first popular graphical browser that made the web easy and visually appealing for everyday users. In 1994, Tim Berners-Lee founded the World Wide Web Consortium W3C to develop open web standards like HTML, CSS, and more. Four core technologies of WWW are HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, the standard language used to structure and display content on web pages. HTTP, it is used for communication. It is that govern how data is requested and delivered between browser and server. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, the unique address that identifies every resource on the web. The web browser, software like Chrome, Firefox that interpret HTML and display the text or media to the user. Without these, website cannot function. Comparison, internet versus world wide web. So internet started with ARPANET in 1969. Web was invented in 1989. Internet includes email, FTP, voice over internet protocol, and streaming, while web includes web pages and hyperlinks. Remember, all web traffic uses the internet, but not all internet traffic is web traffic. The internet and World Wide Web changed human history. They transformed communication, education, business, and research. As a computer science student, learners, understanding how it works is essential. So today we explored foundations, structures, origins, services, web technologies, and difference between internet and world wide web. So for today, thank you.